We're only a few days into the new year, but mark February 15th through 19th on your calendar. The UP200 Midnight Run and Jack Pine 30 Sled Dog Races are still on track for this year. If you're unfamiliar, these three races take place over the span of a few days. On Friday the 16th, the crowds of thousands gather on Washington Street in downtown Marquette as truckloads of snow are brought in to transform the roadway into the start line and start leg of the event. The UP200 is the longest race. It takes competitors from Marquette to Grand Marais and back again. Work is underway to help the event stay on course.
We're out on the trails right now, clearing trail. The trail crew has been using four-wheelers and equipment that we're not typically able to use during the winter time. And the benefit of all this is that it's a lot quicker when we do it that way. You don't have to deal with the snow, and you can get a lot of that trail cleared a lot quicker. So we're getting that taken care of, and then the hope is that we can just have a clean trail so that when the snow comes, and it always does, it would be something if it didn't come. When it does come, the trail's clear and all we have to do is run it and get it all groomed up for the dogs.
Organizers say having a good base of snow is important, but making sure mushers are comfortable with conditions is a priority. Organizers say there are a couple of new things to look out for this year.
Northern this year again is involved, the UP200 powered by Northern Michigan University, and we have a lot of students involved in the race again, as we have in the past. They redid our website this year, so that was kind of the project of the year. Last year was the rebranding, this year is the website. So UP200.org, still the same website address, but a new look and a new feel. And then as part of that, we're also utilizing the United Way's Upers United volunteer page this year. So we've got a link in there to the volunteer page, which Andrew and his crew with United Way they do a great job of organizing volunteer opportunities for all kinds of organizations and events in the community, and we happen to get involved with that this year and signed up. So when you go there, all the opportunities are laid out pretty easily accessible, and there's quite a few available right now, but they go quick.
Opening ceremonies start on Friday, February 16th in downtown Marquette. We are planning to bring you our entire 6 p.m. hour live from the start line with plenty of other updates as we get closer to the events. And if you're in the sled dog racing spirit now, the Copper Dog 150 has an opportunity for you. Organizers with the Copper Dog 150 Sled Dog Race are asking for community input to choose the winner of their student art contest. Voting closes this Friday, January 5th at noon. This year, students in Houghton and Keweenaw counties, ages 13 to 19 years old, submitted 73 unique design suggestions for the upcoming race. The race's board narrowed it down to the 5 submissions and are now shifting the choice to you. For more information, visit our website, upmatters.com.